Hello everyone, I'm going to talk about the monolithic and microservice architectures. So the first thing is, what is the monolithic? So monolithic means the all code contains in the same repository and the same set of the nodes in the one cluster reposable for handling any possible application requires. And in the monolithic applications, right, you just the whole project. All features, there's a lot. Let me try this. This is the monolithic, right? There's a lot of the features inside and also connected to the database. This is called monolithic. In this monolithic features and function are integrated into just a single unified code base and often deploys as the single applications. So what's the advantage about this advantage? It's a simple architecture. You don't need too much complex like system design architecture. So it's a simple. And you use this way. You only need only need one service to run everything. Here, this is your computer. This is called like PC with all the servers. And simple to deploy because you just have need to deploy normally just the one easy to deploy. Easy to deploy. Okay, so this is the monolithic then. Okay, so this is its advantage. Now we talk about we can later to talk about the disadvantage. So what is the micro service? What is happening? Okay. Architecture. What is happening? It's weird, huh? Architectures. So what is architectures? Architecture is the definition about this. Divide an application into collections of small independently deployable servers, and each are responsible for a specific functionality and communication via APIs or messaging. So what is the advantage about this? So let me draw the picture first. So this is microarchitecture, right? So this is your this is microservice. How can I draw this? Microservice is like a service, and it connects to one database microservice, one database. Service and go to the database, for example this one, and they were connected like call API to call each other. They will call API to connect it with each other. And normally this one is like this one is one server, and this one is one server, this one is one server. It's normally sometimes the database will also need another server, but I just simplify for here. That is called microservice. And for example, we have the application, right? It is like a user service, like a order, like online buying some website. So this is a user service, and this is the order servers, and it is like a authorization servers. So they will separate those of things in different way. So this is called microservice. And for the monolithic, this service, this will be the user service. User service, and this is like order service, authentic servers. This is a difference between this one now. Yeah. So for the advantage is we have 1 to 3, definitely the powerful, right? So it's like a increase maintainable ability and fault tolerant, like improve the performance. And the second thing is reduce the duplicate process if you want to change the, if you try and change the small or just the specific features, right? So what does this mean? If like I want to just update the user's profiles, I just want to update this one profile, I only need to change this service and do not impact this one. Do not impact this other service. And I just only need to deploy this, deploy this service. And this service, I don't need to deploy it again. But for the monolithic, you have to deploy the whole thing again and over and again if you just a small change. So this is good for the microservice. So what their disadvantage? So disadvantage is the advantage disadvantage is equal to the microservice advantage. Just add not. Just the reverse. So which means the monolithic disadvantage is it will increase the cannot fault tolerance, right? So what advantage about the microservice is the disadvantage about monolithic, and same thing as the microservice. Its a disadvantage is very complex to the architecture. Yeah, this is the monolithic and microservice architectures. So based on the different projects you want, and you can choose different way to design your project. Yeah, some very simple, definitely monolithic is work enough. But for the big company like industrial company, they are normally is use the microservice because there are lots of team just to develop different features. So it's good for them to use the microservice architecture. Yeah, thank you.